10 common myths and misconceptions about our universe. Almost everyone has looked into the night sky and marveled at the vastness of space, pondering the mysteries of that final frontier. Let's start the countdown. 10. Many of the stars we see at night are dead and no longer exist. So it's highly unlikely that any star we see has died in the time it takes for its light, traveling at 186,000 miles per second or 300,000 kilometers per second, to reach us. 9. The universe is infinite. The universe is big, there's no doubt about that, but it actually is finite. It does have an end. 8. Black holes are like giant vacuums, sucking up everything. Unlike what we've seen in films, black holes are not menacing cosmic tornadoes, sucking up everything in their galactic path. Black holes occur when massive stars run out of fuel and begin to die and collapse. 7. Dark matter is evil and destructive. Dark matter is totally invisible, and it has never been seen or detected, yet it makes up 27% of the matter in the universe. It's basically the stuff in the voids between suns and galaxies. 6. Earth-like planets are rare. Scientists discovered 24 planets even better for life than Earth. Proxima Centauri b is the closest Earth-like, and possibly livable, planet to us, at a measly 4 light-years away. And with 10 trillion galaxies in the universe, there could be 76 sextillion stars out there similar to our Sun, with orbiting habitable planets. 5. Once we perfect speed of light travel, we can zip around the galaxies. Warp speed, hyperdrives, and other futuristic technologies are always effective in fiction for zipping from planet to planet and galaxy to galaxy. But in the real world, lightspeed travel, or even near lightspeed travel, is an impossibility. 4. The Big Bang was an explosion. The Big Bang is probably not what you think it is. The universe and everything in it started with a giant explosion. I mean, it's right there in the name, the Big Bang Theory. Scientists have accepted the theory that the universe began 13.8 billion years ago when an infinitesimally small, dense ball of matter went bang. Everything is still in the same position now as it was 13.8 billion years ago, but it's the space between those objects that is growing. This explains why there is no void in the center of our universe, which we'd expect to find with an explosion, a bang, when everything is blasted out from a central point. 3. Aliens could come to Earth. That sounds plausible, especially considering the thousands of UFO sightings in North America each year. With 76 sextillion stars in the universe having habitable planets orbiting them, there's absolutely no doubt that there's other life out there, some developing, some intelligent, and perhaps some technologically advanced. The question is, could those advanced beings travel to Earth? 2. In space, no one can hear you scream. As the saying goes, in space, no one can hear you scream. And since space is a vacuum, with no substance for sound waves to travel through, that statement makes sense, a scream shouldn't even be able to leave your lips. 1. Our Sun is a giant fireball. Well, actually, it's more like an endless series of hydrogen bomb blasts. The hydrogen atoms in the core of the Sun slam into helium atoms and fuse together. Luckily for Earth, the density and gravity of the Sun are so great that it keeps everything together and prevents itself from blowing up. Thanks for watching! And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.